Wow, Motorola just shocked everyone because the first official-looking renders of the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra have leaked. And honestly, this phone looks way better than anyone expected. After skipping an Ultra model in the Edge 60 series, Motorola is finally bringing back a true flagship, and these new images might be the best look yet at the company's next premium beast. But here's the wild part. The design alone is enough to make Samsung and OnePlus fans jealous. So today, let's break down these leaked renders, the design, the chipset, the expected specs, and what this means for Motorola's flagship comeback without skipping a single detail. First off, the leaked images show the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra in two stunning colorways, and honestly, this might be Motorola's most attractive design in years. Unlike the Edge 60 lineup that never received an Ultra version, the Edge 70 family is now getting a full-fledged premium member, and the backplate alone is already turning heads. That dark green, almost olive-like shade looks incredibly distinguished, with a texture that feels refined without screaming for attention, giving it the perfect balance of style and subtlety. It's not Motorola's usual vegan leather either, meaning it will instantly stand apart from the regular Edge 70 and from rivals like the OnePlus 15 or the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. While the material looks like some kind of textured reinforced plastic, whatever Motorola has used here works, and it gives the phone a classy premium identity. Beyond the looks though, details on the specs are still limited, but one thing seems almost certain: the Edge 70 Ultra is expected to come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. Yes, it's not Qualcomm's top-tier Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the same one expected in the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but this could actually work in Motorola's favor, helping the phone arrive at a lower price while still offering more than enough power for most users. A January 2026 launch might even be possible, especially since Motorola skipped the Edge 60 Ultra entirely, and these newly leaked images, reportedly official according to Android headlines, suggest the announcement may only be a few weeks away. Other rumored features include 16 GB of RAM, a triple rear camera setup with primary, ultra-wide, and periscope telephoto sensors, plus a 6.7 or 6.8-inch OLED display with 1.5K resolution and at least a 120Hz refresh rate. If Motorola prices it aggressively enough, the Edge 70 Ultra could easily become one of the surprise hits of the year. But for now, with so many ifs still hanging in the air, it's too early to get carried away. So that's everything we know so far about the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra, a phone that looks absolutely stunning and might finally give us a true Motorola flagship again. If these renders are real, Motorola might be onto something big. Let me know in the comments, is this a phone you'd actually consider over Samsung or OnePlus? And if you want fast updates on every major tech leak, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.